how these, an example of how they work. So an example is a chemical called benzoapyrene. So it's just a chemical name. We'll abbreviate that BP, just for short. It's found in cigarette smoke. So even if you smoke all natural cigarettes, non-additive cigarettes, the tar that they talk about when they talk about tar and nicotine, that black gunk that you take into your lungs, one of the many nasty components of that black gunk, even nicotine-free cigarettes, this is in the tar of the cigarettes. Basically, if you burn something, you make this sooty black stuff. And in that sooty black stuff are chemicals like benzoapyrene, among others, that are also nasty. So it's found in all kinds, actually all kinds of smoke, but notably in cigarette smoke. And so that gets into your body, and your body tries to get rid of it. All right? And so for that, what you should do is turn your attention to the next page of today's information-packed handout, and there's some chemical structures there. So here. So that monster right there is benzoapyrene. It's one of the components of tar. So you tell me, phobic or, yeah, what? If you're smoking, yeah, I mean like barbecue and stuff. Yeah, the sad and unfortunate thing is that, yes, basically anything burnt black has stuff like this in it, right? So barbecue is bad for you. But the thing is, you don't, what I want to talk about, though, is there's a difference between smoking where you take it into your lungs and where the nicotine paralyzes your body's ability to get that stuff out. So you really sort of soak your lung cells with that. I think you'd have to eat an awful lot of barbecue to be the equivalent of smoking cigarettes. But yes, anything burnt black has nasties in it like this, which makes me really sad because I love barbecue. But like anything else, moderation is the key. All right. Yes? Beg pardon? What, oh, if you're using a hookah. Ooh, all right. I don't know if the tar still, the acid test for that is if you draw through a piece of like filter paper or cotton, and if that cotton turns brown, then you're getting tar. Right. All right. So you tell me, hydrophobic, hydrophilic? Phobic in a really, really big way, okay? That's about as hydrophobic as you can get. So here's the thing. Your body's going to try to get rid of it. How does it get rid of small molecules like that? It tries to pass them in urine. There's not much chance that much of that's going to dissolve in urine. So what your body does is it tries to make it more hydrophilic. And so it tries to end up with this molecule here, which is slightly more hydrophilic because it's got these OHs. It's not great, but it's better than it was. So that's the starting setup. This is very, let me get a different colored pen. This is very phobic, therefore hard to excrete. This is going to be more philic, therefore easier to excrete. Right? So your body's up to, is trying to do a good thing. It reacts this with oxygen in an enzyme that's present in your liver and also lung cells. Produces this molecule, which is then sort of supposed to, and most of it reacts to form BP-diol. But this BP